muscles. No, I'm serious. You can really see the damn rhomboids were squeezing in. You can see traps and the lats actually on the side. It's cool. Oh, that's why it's not on. Put you on yin and yang, and then you'll get a different variation of everything. Too much?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Still on 6. Go up to 7.
Trigger point on my right side.
Oh shit. Is activate just messing with it?
No, it's just like it needs to be released at some point.
Okay.
I frozen shoulder.
Oh no, don't say that. No, please. Jesus. You're at 8. You're doing it. Level 9. Damn, you're at 9. You sure we can go to 10? It's gonna be a full.
I mean, I'm okay right now, so.
Okay, yeah, I think you can take it. Okay. We're at 10. Yeah, some people can take the calves. I just know it's, for me, I don't even get electrical shock at the calves. It's always just lower back, upper back. I'm good. The cupping?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I forgot how this little small cup could be so tight. Dang. Breathe through it. You're a trooper, yeah, because I don't get legs cupped either. I'm like, too much. But baby, and I know I need it. I know I need it. Man. I'm gonna turn it one more level. We'll see how we do. It's on 4. How's that feel? It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay for now. Oh, it ain't too bad.
Alright, cool.
Oh, that's all right. On the trigger point, you know.
Oh, the hot towel? Or, I mean, the... take a quick knee because my back is killing me. But standing forever. No, seriously, I've been starting to notice even with really, really great clients that I like. I'm like, yo, these 2-hour massages are really kind of getting on me these days.
2 hours though?
Yeah.
Try to stick away from
I hear you. I mean, I only get them for like certain, reoccurring, like people just come in, hey, I'm here again. I'm like, oh, fuck. Sometimes it's cool because they'll talk like the whole hour. You know what I mean? If I'm talking, yeah, it's not so bad. But if they fall asleep or something, I'm like, oh, shit, it's just me.
No, I just be
Damn.
like, oh shit, I got an hour and a half left.
Right, yeah. Oh, man, it's the work. It really fucks with you. I'm like,
Especially if they don't really want anything worked on. Those are the worst clients. Like, what the hell am I supposed to do for 2 hours if you don't have nothing wrong with you?
There was a lady who came in. She was, I think, German. And she wanted 2-hour foot massage.
Oh, fuck no.
Yeah, I worked with her 4 times. No one wanted her, like no one.
Ow.
But her tip was good. Like she would always give me $50 to $60. Like, but I'm like, it's still not worth it, right? It's a lot of
how
fucking
in the
hour each foot.
Do you do an hour on your foot? First of all, if your feet are bothering you, there's more wrong with you than your feet.
Well,
you need to explain.
Well, what I did was, because sometimes, massaging, we're not supposed to get like the sugar scrubs unless they request it and blah, blah, blah. I took sugar scrub. I took the hot, cold treatment, the biofreeze bullshit. I did all that shit first, wrapped your feet in hot towels after I, scrubbed your foot. So that took off at least 20 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes.
No, I would have drug that out so much. You don't understand.
No, 20 minutes, 30 each foot. You know what I'm saying? Like, this would be 20, this one would be 20, or 30. Because she'll catch on, so I had to cut it down to 20. Because at first I tried to do, like, whole 30. And she knew, like, she's like, my time is being wasted. Like, she was honest with, she, like, kind of upfront. No, she knew, yeah, she knew. She knew my tricks. Women know our, men, we are. But, yeah, and I didn't do this, everything else,
Not 2 hours on your feet, though.
I know. It's the worst. Everybody did. Everybody would even make up an excuse because you can't really physically. You can't say, "Hey, I don't want to work hard because I don't want to work on our feet." You know what I mean? So they would say, at certain corporations, they normally suspend you.
Well,
over some bullshit, right?
Because I ain't about to. We got this client at my job. When she comes in, the first time she ever came in, she wanted 2 hours on her leg. That's it. And then the next time she came in, she wanted 2 hours on her back. No flip. Just on her back. Every time she got, I was like, don't put her on my butt. I'm going to give her to somebody else because I'm telling you, she going to complain because I'm going to rub that whole body. It'll be nothing. She don't want you. And then she wants Swedish, though.
Oh, just a nice fluff and buff.
Fluff and buff.
Yeah, those are,
Worst clients ever. I don't care what your tip look like. I'm not about to wear my hands out because, especially on feet. No.
It's the work. Yeah, you got your thumbs, your fingers aching because you can't really do no elbow work unless it's still hard.
No, I can't even work on the hands for more than 5 minutes before my hands start hurting. Right,
I agree. I totally agree. Damn, while we were talking, I moved it out just to.
Oh, that's
fine. See, dang, you can take it. You good.
That don't feel so good.
Dang. Yeah, whenever you're at home, you gotta do your, self-care or something. I'll be putting this thing on my back, neck more than anything though. I use this thing for my neck.
Oh, I done found on my shoulder is due to my neck. I got a trigger point in my neck. Somewhere. The girl worked on my neck for
another level. We're gonna stop playing around something. Y'all got to do something. Level 30. Yeah, it's working. It's working. See, these pads, I gotta replace these pads. and get like the 4 pads, so it'll be 2 here, then 2 down here. There's a 6 one, but it's pretty expensive, like I say before. So then you'll be feeling the pepper. We're doing actually. We can go up more. Let's do it. Let's go for it. Oh, we're almost there.
That's fine.
All right. The record is 1 more after this. We'll let it. And she'll be at 10. I just want to show the camera that she's at 9. 1 more and she'll be at number 10. I know I gotta record my own self. You got muscles for real.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to 10. Let's do this. You're at the max. You're at 10. I think this side is getting it more than this side for some reason. Hold on. Switch this one. Oh yeah. See how red she got? You see it like all the little urethane of the blood coming up. The boo's not gonna get mad at me for having done this, is it?
Be all marked up.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Do you feel the difference on the sides?
Yeah.
Now, does it feel stronger now that you switched it?
On the left side, it feels stronger.
Amazing.
She's struggling.
So like when a taser hits you, same thing. It's
more
way more bright, way more than it's ever gonna be. Like 50,000 volts that can knock down a bull, a Brahma bull. So you think about a regular human, it's just that's why they go straight down. Like when the cops shoot somebody with the little taser thing, and it just drop. And people get mad, like, man, she had to hit her face like that. Well, I mean, I'd rather shoot with a taser than shoot with a gun. She had a knife in her hand, you know what I mean? So what's the lesser evil? But people still don't like the taser. But I'm like, I'd rather get tased any day than get shot.
Yeah.
You know, I want to live. But some people like on drugs where even if you do shoot them, they still
keep on coming.
So the taser, if they're on drugs, no matter what, the body will still react.
The nervous system like, oh, what the hell, what the hell?
Exactly. Alright, so in the beginning, we went over, sorry, is it still recording?